How to transfer specific video to PhotoBucket on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer specific video to PhotoBucket on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and click these three lines into top corner and go down, click settings and privacy and then settings and go down, click this one, transfer a copy of your information and then next, and now just go down and click photo bucket and then click go to photos and click none, and now go to videos and select specific video and then just select any video and click next, and after that click next again, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.